This video will show you how to reset the engine oil life monitor on a Cadillac CTS. This will be done from inside of the passenger compartment. To start resetting the oil life monitor, we'll have the key in the on position without the key running. That's 2 clicks. Let's pay attention in this screen here. We're going to have to make our way throughout the settings screen. We'll reset anything that doesn't need to be there. Now we're paying attention up along the top. We'll have to scroll through the settings. It only took 1 click. This may take several attempts to get to the proper point. We essentially want to see where it says engine oil life. We're going to reset it. Mine says 53%, so I'm holding down the clear button. Once it's reset to 100%, you've finished the job. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.